We have a company since 2011 now. We never cold call anyone. People call us because they see the type of content that we have there. They relate the things that they want to do it with the things that we sell, the services that we sell. And if you start thinking that if you are in marketing, law, IT, any industry, as soon as you start pushing content on your own industry, every time that they remember about those subjects, your connections, they will remember about you. And the opportunities, they come after that. They start throwing you opportunities just because of this exposure. All right, I will show you here a few things as well. The ideal profile, guys, the first thing that you must take care about your profile, in your profile, is the URL. Most people won't take the time to go there and remove the numbers that LinkedIn puts on your name there, right? You have your URL, try to use 2 names, especially in Brazil. We come from Brazil, we have 4 or 5 names, so you must keep that shortened, right? Especially to match the place that you are living now, Ireland. So they use 2 names, let's use 2 names. If those 2 names are taken, put your middle name, but I use that like a short, remove the numbers, and if you can, you should keep these the same as in your Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+. Why? Do you guys know why? Because the robots, the indexers, they will start seeing you as the same person everywhere you go. So if you start creating content in a week's time and on LinkedIn, we will feel compelled to start creating content on other networks. And if you are not the same person on all these networks, it will take you longer to get the results of the methodology, right? Don't you agree? So think about that. Think about that. Even if you need to change your nickname now, your alias now, or changing on Facebook, and most people will tell me, I'm not going to use Facebook to expose myself. That's fine. I'll try to convince you otherwise here tonight. But if you use that for your profession, you will increase your chances way higher. And if you have the same nickname, you are the same person on all these networks. And the ideal profile not only has it a optimized URL, but also you are going to take care of the artwork. So LinkedIn is going to put that blue dual banner on top of your profile. Go out there and try to grab an image, a royalty-free image that you can replace your profile to match what you do. If you are in IT, your banner should be something related to technology. If you are in health, why not like a picture of a nice ER? I mean nice because you should take care about the type of picture that you take in an ER, right? If you write things, if you are a content writer, like books, or if you are somehow involved with law, see, because people will remember way more about you when they will judge you when they hit your profile or considering connecting with you. They will first, before even they read your name, they will first say, they will record the picture in their brands, and they will make the association of the industry and yourself. Also, a good investment, that you must do it, it's in the picture that you are using it. I have a slide for that as well to tell you what are not ideal pictures for your profile. How you could, with no money whatsoever, you can invest time and have a proper picture for the use of LinkedIn. And the 2 most important parts of an optimal profile are the tagline, the compelling tagline, and the story, how you're going to tell your story on LinkedIn, how you're going to tell the people who can potentially give you an opportunity, how you became that marketing professional, how come you changed from IT to commercial, how you changed from, why you have 4 years at home studying English. So only telling your story on LinkedIn, you will be able to convince people that you are still the right person for that opportunity. Okay, I will show you more about that as well. And finally, the career path, right? You must describe the jobs that you've done, the companies that you worked for, the dates, And if you can, try to pull the logotype of the companies, right, that you worked for, even if they don't have company pages. Establish the dates, put the dates that you worked for them, and on the box that you have to describe the jobs that you've done it, you must break down these in two parts, responsibilities and key achievements. And this is the perfect place there that for you to put, to describe, to use bullet points in your career path. I see most people, they go there and they, on the short story, on the summary part of the LinkedIn, they go there and they just like write one sentence and they go there for the bullet points. Big mistake. You should use the bullet points with loads of information, more technical things about the jobs that you had in the past, broken down into responsibilities and key achievements. Responsibilities. Use that on the present tense, because even though you had those responsibilities, you still know how to do them, right? You learned. But the key achievements you put on the past tense, okay? And be accurate there. But talk about numbers. Talk about how much you made and saved. Talk about how much they made you travel, and then you improved the delivery of these, the services of that, you reduced the times that they say achievements. You all did that. But why not describing these in a proper manner, right? So that's the career path. They are the best place to do this. And finally, the contact details. I've seen it, people like don't put in their phone numbers there, not even their emails sometimes. It's not up to you to decide how you want to be connected. It's about you giving them the convenience for them to connect with you. So give them your phone number, give them your Gmail address, give them your Facebook link, give them your Twitter account, give them all, because you must give them, like, as I said, the convenience. It's not up to you. Say, oh, I don't want to disclose my phone number. Your phone number doesn't belong to you. Play with that, like give them that. Because like it might be 10 seconds that the person had to look for your phone number because they wanted to call you instead of mailing you, that they're going to be distracted, not ringing you at all. See? So give them all. And if you think like by Facebook, it's personal, I'm not going to disclose that. They won't click on your Facebook. They don't want to see that. But the fact that you disclose your LinkedIn account right there on your LinkedIn shows them what? That you have nothing to hide. See, it's small things, guys. Small things. We are in the age of the information, and the information that people won't consume because we don't have time and like short attention span. But in the end, the more you give, see,